Place all panels in the correct orientation. Flip both side panels 180 degrees. Align the front and rear panels with the slots on the side panels. Secure them using the H2 hex key to fix all 12 M36 screws. Flip the entire riser base 180 degrees from left to right to complete the assembly. Open the front and rear doors of the riser base. Place the LX2 onto the riser base. Using the H2.5 hex key to remove all 6 M36 screws on the base plate. Once removed, pull the base plate out. Ensure the left and right frames are aligned and the alignment blocks are correctly positioned. Use the H2 hex key to tighten all 6 M3 to 12 screws. Insert the base plate back into the appropriate slot according to the material thickness. The riser base provides 4 levels to support materials of varying thicknesses. Level 1 supported material height, 16.5 to 76.5 millimeters. Level 2 supported material height, 41 to 101 millimeters. Level 3 supported material height, 65.5 to 125.5 millimeters. Level 4 supported material height, 90 to 150 millimeters. Measure the thickness of your material. Place the base plate to the corresponding level. Close the front door. Place the material on the base plate and proceed to the engraving process. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the LaserPecker support team at support@laserpecker.com. Thank you for watching.